Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the IVES number 09-315. This is a replacement rubber insert used on their FS441, their FS442, and their FS451 floor door stops. This is what the replacement rubber looks like, and this video is going to primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, and the reason so is because clients say, how do I know it's going to fit? Well, I don't know, and the reason I don't know is because how are we able to, definitively resolve on whether or not you have an IVES unit to begin with? So you may not. So the bottom line is this video is intended to help sort out whether or not you have a IVES product. Let's take some dimensional properties of the item. Overall, and obviously this is a new item, overall thickness 0.871. 0.871. Overall projection of the portion that will go inside of the stop, that's going to be 0.554. 0.554. Thickness of the raised area, the exposed area, 0.338. 0.338. Smaller diameter, that's going to go inside the unit, that's going to be 0.629. 0.629. Diameter out here, 0.808. 0.808 here. There are links below this video to the 3 models of stops that this is, floor stops that this is compatible with, and from those stops back to this item. Hopefully this is the product that you need, and hopefully those dimensional properties will allow you to determine, yeah, I can make this work. I would think if you took dimensions of what you have and this was very close, it's something that can be trimmed, shaved, otherwise modified to fit, perhaps glued in. I wouldn't glue it in, but you might be able to use some sort of a silicone that will hold it in place, but something that you can still get out of there when it's time to replace it, whatever the case might be. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the IVES products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the IVES, this is their part number 09-315, replacement rubber for the FS441, the FS442, and the FS451 floor door stops, or any other IVES product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.